Friends, guess what? I just discovered over 1,800 free courses in Germany that do not require block accounts. The best part is that they are all taught in English language. And one good thing about Germany is that it is student friendly, as most things like housing, feeding, and accommodations has been subsidized by the government. And the good news is that you can move with your family as a student through this program. In this very video, I'll be showing you the various programs that are available, requirements, and how to apply for them. And if you are watching this video late, it is probably because your post notification bell has been switched off. Please kindly switch it on so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video, as you don't want to be applying for opportunities when the opportunity window has been closed. Because on this channel, I share opportunities that are always time sensitive. And to my returning subscribers, thanks for stopping by. I can't love you legs. And if you have not given this video a thumbs up, kindly do so, as this will motivate me to do more, as a lot of energy, time, and resources were put into making this video. So friends, some of the reasons why you should consider studying in Germany is that Germany is one of the top destinations for education and work. Secondly, Germany has a high quality educational system, and Germany as a whole has a strong market and career opportunities. And lastly, guys, Germany has a welcoming policy for international students. And let us not forget in a hurry that Germany has cheap accommodation, feeding, and transportation for students. Guys, do not wait any further, for the best time to start is now, as the process is absolutely free. And for those of you who have decided to sponsor yourself without going through these available scholarship programs, where I have sad news for you. The German government has increased the minimum amount for block account from this to this. What this means is that you have to take chances when you see one, as the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, and another best time is now. Without wasting time, come with me to the computer room. Let me show you how you can go about this. O'Shea, this is the DAAD portals. As you can see, you have scholarship for Germany, scholarship for going abroad, international programs, alumni. So you click on international programs. When you come here, you will see we have course type. You click this and select the program you are going for. If you are going for bachelor's, you have 340 programs for international students. If you are going for master's degree, you got 1,580. So if you add this together and add this together, it's over 1,800 courses available. So you click, let's say you're applying for master's degree, course language, English. You see English is 1,414. Did I get it correctly? 1,417. If you are a speaker of German and English, you have 78. So let's leave as English only. Field of study, you see, if you want languages, you click engineering, arts, theory, agriculture, forestry, nutritional sciences. The number of courses they have is 91 here. This is 54. Engineering, we have 394 courses. Languages and cultural studies, 175. Law, economy, social sciences, 574. Did I say so? Sorry, forgive me. 577. Mathematics, natural sciences, 671. Medicine, 57. Sport. So you choose the one. Let's say I'm interested in engineering. I'll click search. Now, when it comes out, let's wait for it to load. You have 394 results for your criteria. Remember, it is master's, engineering, and it's English language program only. So these are the program. Look at this. It says tuition fees for per semester. What do you see there? None. You pay nothing, and the language of instruction is English. Guys, this is a free opportunity. It's called what we call a WOOF in Nigeria. So what are you waiting for? Apply ASAP. So you look for the degrees that you want to achieve. If you are going for master's degree in advanced manufacturing, you click it, you click on the link. When you click on the link, it will take you to this site. And as you can see, this is the course title. This is the instructional language, and it's taught in English, full-time. Mode of study, less than 50% online. So if you want to filter it, you can also filter it, field of study, subject, mode of study. You can come here and just put it fully online or fully on site. You can see it is fully on site right now. So guys, this is it. You can go and read through beginning winter, which means September. If you are summer, you will resume March. So what are you waiting for? Application deadline is 5th July for the following winter semester. So after on the 5th, you are going to be joking with your future. So what are you waiting for? Start applying ASAP, because between now till September, you should be in Germany studying. So now when you come, tuition fees, no, you're not paying a dime. So this is it. This is it, guys. This is it. So now, how do you apply? That's the question you'll be asking. But before I go into that, please give this video a thumbs up. It's not easy to do video. Please encourage me, motivate me to do more. So now, when you come here, you see the course details. You can click it to just see it. Are you seeing it, guys? You read it. Everything about this is just really online learning. Costs of funding, you see it is none. You have nothing to pay. Cost of living per month to cover personal expenses. Yes, for funding opportunities within the university. Yes, you get opportunities to, work within the university. All students have to pay a semester contribution of approximately this. This is the only amount you need to pay. Are you seeing it? It says this fee also covers the semester's ticket, which permits you to use buses, trams in Germany, as well as regional trains throughout Germany during the semester. International students will receive the bank account details after admission, with which they can transfer the semester contribution. However, the fee can also be paid after arrival, so you have no choice. They say you can pay this little token, 296 euro. Guys, is it not better you pay this money than to waste money in other countries that will suck everything out of you? So why don't you take this opportunity? So what are you waiting for? Apply ASAP. Now, what you are going to do is for you to come here, requirements registration. You click here and you read about everything that you need to know. You see it. One thing, it says study in English studies. Language proficiency from winter semester, German language proficiency A1 is compulsory. They will teach you this. In fact, you don't need to go and learn it elsewhere. It will be inculcated into your work, okay? It is also possible to take an online course before the semester starts, but you don't need this. You don't need this. So what is it? It says 5th July for the following winter semester, like I said. Application may be submitted online at this. You click this link and you start the application. But let's look at something very interesting. Most of you might be asking, is English compulsory? What you can do, listen carefully. It says, applicants from countries with English as official, educational, or native language are not required to submit proof of English. So you are exempted. Nigerians, Ghanaians, Kenya, and the likes, you are exempted as far as you can speak English and it's your #1 language, okay? Now, guys, to apply, just come down and click this link and off you start the process to apply. Now, for the sake of time, I will use one more site and I will leave the rest in the description box. So if you feel that this site is not enough, you have money and you're also looking for free tuition schools, what you can do is to visit this site. Let me show you. So guys, you see this, we have this, it says my German University, Study Finder, universities, subjects, cities, articles, webinars, about. This site is very useful for you if you want to study in Germany. So what you can do, this is applications. You can choose the application period you want. All right, requirements, you can choose the language. Is it language? If you need one that has language test or none, look at it. It says language certificate, Cambridge, IELTS, Oxford test. So depend on you. So no German skills needed, work experience required. You can just do your filter. Now for me, I don't want to do all that. Let's take, for instance, let's just put it in English, language certificate, Oxford test of English. Let's say this. We need to select the English. Okay, let's put it there. So now let's look at IELTS. So as you can see, it's forestry system transformation. You see it's free. And this one you have to pay. So you have to go through each of them and see the one that is absolutely free. You see this one is free. Chinese studies, technological management. So you have to just go through. There are some of them that are free. Economics, policy, analysis, free. You see it's 2 years duration. So this is also free. Economic policy, quantitative methods. So look for the one that is free. But if you know you have money to, gift the government of Germany, you can, take the one that has money that is involved. This one is free, or you pay 1,500, depend on your circumstance. That's fees. So guys, as I also demonstrated in the other video, you click on anyone that you're interested in and you apply. Don't sleep on this. Start the application now. Now. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to guide you through the process. Bye for now.